Let's take a closer look at OrderCentral software and how it works in practice.
Hello everyone, good morning, and today we are going to record the session for OrderCentral software, and in this video we are going to capture how to create company profile or how to set up company profile in OrderCentral software. Setting up the company profile is one of the primary steps we have to do after installation of software. So let's take a closer look how the setup form looks like. So this is the company profile user interface. You can see company details, the legal entity details you have to fill here and then save it. So we'll go to OrderCentral software and we will do this step by step and follow the instruction. Few are mandatory fields, but not all the fields are mandatory. Okay, so let's go to the software and set up a company profile. So friends, I'm going to start the software. So this is the login screen. We have to log in first. Sorry, ABC is the username and here is my password. Login. Okay, so I can see I have logged in. So as I mentioned, setting up the company profile is one of the primary thing we have to do inside the software. So after installation, a few item by default came into the system. For example, units. These are the default units you can see in the system. Taxes. This is also the few default, and you can create. Currency. This is also default. While installation, default currency will come. Now once all this thing is by default, we have to set up the company profile. To set up a company profile, let's first give the company name. This is my company name. Country is by default India, because right now this software is only applicable for India origin, so you can't change it. Let me give some address. So let's say plot number 401 402. So I have given the address. Let's choose the state. My state is Haryana. My city is Faridabad. So if you feel your state is not there, so you can click on this plus button and fill your state and save it. So your state will automatically reflect into this lookup. Same applies for city. If you feel that your city is not there, so you can come here, you choose your state, and then fill the city and save it. So this will reflect automatically here. Let me give the pin code, company phone number, email ID, info@ordercentral.in. okay, website, terms and condition. So terms and condition you have to provide here, and same will reflect into your invoices, sales invoice basically. Okay, if If you have a TIN number, you can fill the TIN number. So in my case, let me fill the TIN number. Let me give the PAN number as well. If you have a PAN number, you can fill out the PAN number. Okay, add the bank detail. So whatever you fill here, it will reflect on your invoice. So let's say bank name, let HDFC bank, account number, let's say 027945 something, whatever you have, and then let's say account name, let's say ABC private limited. Okay, then IFSC code, so that's and address. Okay, so is your company registered with GST? It means we are going to create the tax invoice. If your company is not registered with GST, so you don't need to check mark here. If it's registered with GST, then you have to uh, fill the GST. So I have a GST registered, so let me put the GSTIN number. So while creating the invoice, do you want item or invoice to be exclude the GST amount or include? So mostly case we are doing exclude or include, but while creating the sales order you have a choice. You can select include and exclude, but this is for default data setup. So here is the thing, base currency. So every organization having the base currency in the software. For example, if I am doing the transaction in INR, so INR is my base currency. In fact, if I am residing in India, so INR is my base currency. But you think that you are not going to do the transaction into the INR currency. So in that case, if you think that all the transaction currency to be do in different currency, let's select list of currency. So you have default currencies INR, USD, AD, Euro, GBP and CAD, that is the Canadian. Still, if you feel the currency is not here as per your requirement, you can go to the currency and create and then come here and select. Okay, so let me add the logo. So let me check if I have a valid logo to create. Okay, so let me create the logo. So I have this logo and save it. So once you save it, your data is saved. You can close it. You can come here, and if you still feel that something you need to change, you can do that. Okay, so this is the overall company profile setup, and this is one of the mandatory step. Sorry, still we have not filled the base currency, so let me select INR and save it. So you can see the company profile. Double check your details. These things will reflect into your invoice. For example, your terms and condition, your contact details, your address, your bank account details, your GST number. So everything is displayed on your invoice. So this is the video that how to set up company profile in OrderCentral software. I hope you like it. If you still have any query, please reach out to our support email. Thank you.